Today we're going to talk about how to drive a car. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults, I teach teens. Let's go ahead and get it. I want to welcome all of you in, and I need you to go ahead and put your questions in so you can be successful. Okay, the first thing we need to talk about is drive one. Drive one is slow speed, light traffic, and parking lots in residential areas. If you have questions, go ahead and put those in. I want to go ahead and welcome you in. The first thing you need to do is called the pre-entry and safety check. So you want to get into your car, lock your door, put in your seat belts, make sure there's nothing around the car. Next, pre-driving and start procedures. Pre-driving and start procedures. And in the pre-driving start procedures, you want to make sure your mirrors are properly adjusted. You want to make sure you can see everything around the car. Next, establish front bumper reference points. When you're learning how to drive, you need to know how far and long your hood is. When you're driving, you want to stop at the stop line. The stop line is that big, wide, thick line. You stop there. When you're parking, you want to make sure you can see the rear of their tires in front of you. I'll do a tutorial on that later. Hey, I want to say hello to all of you. Next, you want to move the vehicle forward. You do this by putting your foot on the brake. I want to say hi to all of you. And then you put the car into D or drive. The car will move forward. If you're in a manual, you want to use your left foot, push in the clutch, hold the brake, and then move your shifter forward. Next, you want to operate the steering wheel. You're either going to do a push-pull, this is push-pull, or this is hand over hand. There's more than one way to turn the steering wheel. You have to decide what is comfortable for you. Next, you need to operate the vehicle controls, gear shift. You need to be able to use the gas pedal. You want to use the ball of your foot, gently push the gas to keep the car moving. Next, you want to squeeze the brake using the ball of your foot. I want to welcome all of you in. Next, you want to be able to pivot your foot between the gas and brake, and you need to know where your park brake is. If you're driving a manual, then you need to put the park brake down, you need to push the clutch in, move the shifter into 1, accelerate to about 10 miles an hour, push the clutch in, and shift to 2. Thank you for those likes. My goal is to get 6,000 likes. You need to put questions in, and then I want you to reach your goal. Let's keep going. Next, vehicle familiarity. You want to be comfortable with your vehicle. You want to be able to know where the brake is, the gas pedal is, the steering wheel. And you need to know where the comfort and convenience, comfort, heat, AC, convenience, the radio. Next, drive 2, moderate speed, light traffic. This is in your school. This is in your neighborhood. This is you going around your local community college, feeling comfortable with maneuverability, making right turns, making left turns, doing a mirror check to check your blind spot, doing a mirror check to the right to check your blind spot to the right. Let's keep going. I love the energy coming in. Let's get it. Next, you need to establish reference points, the center, the left, and the right. A lot of beginners have a difficult time keeping the car straight in the lane. We're in America, so our steering wheel is on the left. If we were in the UK, Australia, India, our steering wheel will be on the right. So in America, we drive on the right side. Keep those hearts coming in. I love you and appreciate you. Let's keep it going. Enter the roadway from the curb side. You always want to remember, enter in the nearest lane. Some of my trending videos talk about turning in the nearest lane, talk about parallel parking. That is really important. So let's keep going. Let's go ahead and invite someone in today. Hey, Mary, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
How you doing today?
Excuse me?
How are you doing today?
Good. Thank
Good.
you.
You had a question? I just invited you in.
I don't understand too much.
Are you taking driver's education? Do you know how to drive?
Yeah.
A little bit? Yes? No?
No understand too much. Sorry.
What? Do you have your permit? Do you have your license?
Yes?
Yes, you have your permit?
Yeah.
Gotta have your
Bye, bye,
permit.
ya me voy. No entiendo.
Okay, it's okay. Go ahead and say what you need to. All right, so that was nice to have her in. She's getting her license right now and permit, so keep putting your questions in. I want to encourage you to share the live and let's keep inviting people in. Okay, if you want to join my live, just type it in and I'll try to get you in. My goal is 6,000 likes. We have 25 minutes, so let's go ahead and make this really fun and engaging. I want to say hi to all of you. Let's get some hearts in and likes. Next, you want to be able to establish your reference points. Your reference points are forward, to the left, and to the right. A lot of beginners look down to the right, the car's drifting to the right. You want to look straight ahead. And if your steering wheel's on the left, the car will be in the center. Don't put yourself in the middle of the lane. If you do, it'll be over to the right. Hey, we're almost at 1K. Let's keep it going, team. Teamwork makes the dream work, okay? Let's continue. Comparing and completing left and right turns at intersections. You want to come up to the middle of the intersection. You want to turn hand over hand and make your left. Thank you, I'm at 1K. You want to turn hand over hand or hand to hand and turn in the nearest lane. Keep your turn short. Turn in the nearest lane. Let's keep going, guys. We're talking about how to get your license, how to drive a car. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I'm looking for some people to go live with me. Let's make it positive. Let's keep it going. Next, you want to be able to determine the minimum time and space. Space is a gap. If you're at a parked position, a side street, a gas station, a restaurant, your end of your neighborhood, you've got to yield. Yield means you stop, you look, you check. When it's clear, you turn in the nearest lane. I like those hearts coming, tap, 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 like. Thank you. Let's keep it going, guys and ladies. Next, you have to be able to demonstrate how to enter and exit traffic with very little support from your driving instructor. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults, I teach teens. We're talking about how to drive a car. Let's go ahead, put those likes in, put those questions in. Let's keep it going. Next, I need you to be able to park by the curb and a parked grade. This is either uphill. If you're parking uphill, you turn your wheels all the way to the left. If the car rolls out of gear, it will roll backwards and bounce into the curb.